So let's meet your new Scrum Master. Well, maybe not quite, but it could be soon. AI is advancing at a rapid pace, and the role of the traditional Scrum Master could well be at stake. Today I'm going to show you a demo of an AI virtual robot that you can try right now, and also give you some context on why I think that if you're in this role or something similar, you need to take notes straight away. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Stephen from POP here in Melbourne. Let's dive in. So here is Spinach.io, an AI Scrum Master. It's free to try right now. See links in the description below. And even as a prototype, it's pretty impressive. It took us maybe 5 minutes to set up. This week we got together for a stand-up and invited Spinach along for the ride and a Zoom invite. It's that easy. It turned up on time and let us get on with it. I bet you soon it will turn up as an animated avatar from whatever culture, gender or age that you want. At the moment, it's a camera off kind of Scrum Master. We had our meeting, and after the fact, it sent us a full summary within minutes of what was said. This was integrated into Slack and into Jira straight away. It's a while to go before it's completely ready, but you can see the direction that it's going in. So why is this really a worry? Scrum Masters aren't exactly newcomers to the tech world. The Scrum framework, including the Scrum Master role, was presented decades ago. That's ancient in internet years. How do they compare to AIs like GPT? What you can see here are the skills divided into people and process blocks. So for things like facilitation, coaching, communication, this should be where a Scrum Master excels. In the process skills, that's where AI takes over. All that Jira admin, that's straightforward. Let's quickly see that as a score out of 5 for each and sum them up. And the unsurprising summary is that AI is coming for the process tasks. Obviously this isn't definitive and this is just a very quick and rough, but I'm sure you get the gist. And this isn't news, by the way. Lyssa Adkins knew this way back in 2010 in her companion guide for Scrum Masters, where she said that Scrum Masters should focus on the people side of things. But I have met and coached far too many Scrum Masters stuck in the process tasks. Many, it's fair to say, because the system they're embedded into is pretty broken. However, no matter what, AI is getting relentlessly better and very quickly. So the bad news is that those people skills are not something that happens on a 2-day course. It takes years of effort to become a really good coach or facilitator. So if you're in this or a similar role, I would strongly encourage you to start transitioning and focusing on these sorts of people skills now before the wave of AI really comes crashing in. On the other hand, the good news is that the AI in theory isn't replacing Scrum Masters. It should be empowering and freeing them to focus on the people side of the role. But that's the theory. What do you think? Is all this hype and the AI wave coming? Or is that ancient role of the Scrum Master going to go the way of the dodo and be replaced by our AI overlords? Please let me know in the comments below. Really interested to hear what you say. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more thoughts and insights. Until the next time, look after yourself.